Hello students. Yes, you all are fine, happy, enjoying your work. Okay. So we have completed poem 11. I had a box of crayons in English. And I hope you all have written fair book notes also. Yes? You have written poem 11. I had a box of crayons. You have completed in your fair book. Very good. Those who have completed. And those who have not completed, complete it fast. Okay? And learn each and every thing. Okay, children? So, now see, today I will all revise fair book notes. Whatever you have written in your fair book. So let us see what you have written. Yes. Poem number 11. A box of crayons. Can you see this? What is poem 11? A box of crayons. Yes. So what you have written in poem 11? So learning points. Today we will revise that whatever you have written in your book. Okay, children? So what you have written? Hard words. You have completed, no? Then you have written meanings of poem 11. Okay? Then you have written rhyming words. All the rhyming words. Okay? There is only one rhyming word, no? Yes. Then fill in the blanks. You have written in fill in the blanks in your book. Very good. Then you have written true or false. Okay? At the last you have written question answers. So you have completed this in your fair book. Yes? Hard words, meanings, rhyming words, fill in the blanks, true or false. At the last, question answers. Okay, children? So first we will revise all this. And now you all know. Okay? You all know the answers, no, now? Yes, so you will learn this all. So now see first hard words of poem 11. See number 1. Number 1, crayons. C-R-A-Y-O-N-S. Crayons. Number 2 is shiny. S-H-I-N-Y. Shiny. S-H-I-N-Y. Shiny. Number 3 is straight. S-T-R-A-I-G-H-T. Straight. Number 4, new. N-E-W. New. N-E-W. New. Number 5, length. L-E-N-T. Length. Number 6 is friend. F-R-I-E-N-D. Friend. Number 7, broke. B-R-O-K-E. Broke. Number 8, sorry. S-O-R-R-Y. Sorry. Number 9, care. C-A-R-E. Care. Number 10, both. B-O-T-H. Both. Number 11, color. C-O-L-O-R. Color. See this way, color. Okay? Yes. Number 12, share. S-H S-H-A-R-E. Share. Okay, children. So number 1, crayons. Number 2 is shiny. Number 3, straight. Number 3, straight. Number 4, new. Number 4, new. Number 5, land. Number 5, land. Number 6, friend. Number 6, friend. Number 7, broke. Number 7, broke. Number 8 is sorry. Number 8, sorry. Number 9, care. Number 9, care. Number 10, both. Number 10, both. Number 11, color. Number 11, color. Number 12, share. Number 12, share. So you all have written all this in your fair book. Yes. So crayons, shiny, straight, new, lent, friend, broke, sorry, care, both, color, share. Okay, children? So now see meanings. So first I will show you meanings of poem 11. Okay, children? So number 1, lent. L-E-N-T. Lent. Number 2, cause. C-A-U-S-E. Cause. Number 1 is lent, to give. T-O-2 G-I-V-E, give. To give. Number 2, cause. Cause, because. B-E-C-A-U-S-E. Because. Lent, to give. Okay. Lent, to give. Cause, because. Cause, because. Understood, children? So I hope you have learned these meanings, completed in your fair book. Okay. Lent, to give. Cause, because. C-A-U-S-E, cause. B-E-C-A-U-S-E, because. Lent, to give. Cause, because. Okay, children? So you all have done this. Very good. So you have completed in your fair book? Yes. You have completed, no? Very good. So now we will do rhyming words. You have completed rhyming words in your fair book. See, you have written heading, no? Rhyming words. R-H-Y-M-I-N-G. Rhyming words. W-O-R-D-S. Words. Rhyming words. Okay, children? So now, number 1, care. Number 1, care. C-A-R-E. Care. So what is the rhyming word of care? Do you know rhyming words? Yes. The words which have same sound are called rhyming words. So, care, share, care, share. Okay, children, share, care. spelling. S-H-A-R-E. Share. Care. Share. Understood? Very good. Okay. Now see poem 11. Fill in the blanks with the correct words from brackets. Okay children, so what you have to do? Fill in the blanks with the correct words from brackets. See words. First sentence will appear and brackets also will appear. Okay. But answer will not be seen. Okay children. So see number 1. The poet had a, then there is a blank, box or bunch of crayons. The poet had a dash, box or bunch of crayons. Number 2, the poet lent a friend. The poet lent a friend. See here, 2 options are given in the bracket. No, 1. So, you have to write correct word. Okay. Number 2. The poet lent a friend. Then there is a blank. Crayons. Number 3. See number 3. The crayon. Then there is a blank. The crayon, in the box it is given. Broke, fell. Broke or fell. Number 3 is the crayon. You know the right answer, no? Very good. Now number 4. The poet's friend said she was. Yes, in the same 2 words are given. Sorry, happy. The poet's friend said she was sorry or happy. Okay. Now see in number 5. But the poet said, now we both can. Then there is a blank given here. And 2 options. Draw and color. Draw and color. Okay children, so you all have done this now in your fair book. So see now number 1. The poet had a box of crayons. See here. The poet had a box of crayons. Number 2 is the poet lent a friend. See this spelling, friend. 1 crayons. Number 2 is the poet lent a friend 1 crayons. Number 3. The crayon broke. B-R-O-K-E, broke. The crayon broke. Number 4. The poet's friend said she was, then there is a blank here, sorry or happy. The poet's friend said she was sorry, S-O-R-R-Y, sorry. From 2 options, you have to write correct one, sorry. Number 5. But the poet said, now we both can, then there is a blank, draw or color. Here you have to write down this spelling, okay? But the poet said, now we both can color. Okay, children? Number 1. The poet had a box of crayons. Number 2. The poet lent a friend 1 crayons. Number 3. The crayon broke. The crayon broke. Okay, children? Number 4. The poet's friend said she was sorry. The poet's friend said she was sorry. See the spelling of sorry? S-O-R-R-Y. Sorry. S-O-R-R-Y. Sorry. Number 5. But the poet said, now we both can color. But the poet said, now we both can color. See the spelling? C-O-L-O-U-R. Color. Okay, children? Very good. Now ETC you have completed in your fair book. So now, true or false? See in true or false also. First, sentences will come and then answers. Okay? So, number 1. See number 1. First read the sentence. The poet had a box of crayons. The poet had a box of crayons. That sentence is, you know the answer, no? So see now number 2. The colors were old. Tell me whether this sentence true or false. The colors were old. Okay, children? Now see sentence number 3. The poet lent a friend 1 crayon. Read again if you don't understand. The poet lent a friend 1 crayons. Number 4. The crayon broke in 3. The crayon broke in 3. Okay. Now see number 5. Sentence number 5. The poet and poet's friend can share color. The poet and poet's friend can share color. Okay, children? So now see number 1. The poet had a box of crayons. That sentence is true. T-R-U-E, true. The poet had a box of crayons. It is true. Number 2. The colors. Read properly. The colors were old. Do you remember? The colors were old? No. So this sentence is false. Number 3. The poet lent a friend 1 crayons. The poet lent a friend 1 crayons. So that sentence is true. T-R-U-E, true. Number 4. The crayon broke in 3. The crayon broke in 3. Is it right? Okay, listen carefully, read carefully. The crayon broke in 3. It did not broke in 3, no? It broke in 2 pieces. So this sentence is false. F-A-L-S-E, false. Now see number 5. The poet and poet's friend can share color. The poet and poet's friend can share color. So that sentence is true. Okay, children. See now number 1. The poet had a box of crayons. It is true. The poet had a box of crayons. True. Number 2. The colors were old. It is false. The colors were old. It is false. Number 3. The poet lent a friend 1 crayons. That is true. The poet lent a friend 1 crayons is true. Number 4. The crayon broke in 3. The crayon broke in 3. That is false. Number 5. The poet and poet's friend can share color. So that is true. Okay, children, see, we will read this once again. If you are not written complete in your book, I will send you PDF. Okay? The poet had a box of crayons. True. Number 2. The colors were old. False. Number 3. The poet lent a friend 1 crayons. True. Number 4 is the crayon broke in 3. False. Number 5. The poet and poet's friend can share color. That sentence is true. Okay, children? So now see, we will learn question answers. We will revise it. Answer these questions. Okay? What you have to write? Question answers. Revision of question answers. Now see number 1. Question 1 is describe. D-E-S-C-R-I-B-E. Describe the crayons. C-R-A-Y-O-N-S. Crayons. It is a question. So, question mark. Answer 1 is the crayons were shiny, straight and new. So what you have to write? Describe the crayons. So the answer 1 is the crayons were shiny, straight and new. The crayons were shiny, straight and new. Okay, children? Yes, you all know. You learn this answer. Shiny. The crayons were S-H-I-N-Y. shiny, straight, S-T-R-A-I-G-H-T, straight, and N-E-W, new. Okay, now see question number 2. Question 2 was, first you read the question, understand it well. Was the poet sad when the crayon broke? Question mark. Was the poet sad? Was the poet sad when the crayon broke? Was the poet sad when the crayon broke? So, answer 2 is no. No. The poet was not sad. No, the poet. See here, capital N should be there. After no, you have to write comma. No, the poet was not sad. No, the poet was not sad. After writing the answer, put full stop. Okay? See how this answer is written. No, the poet was not sad. No, the poet was not sad. Understood, children? Answer number 2. Very good. Now we will see question number 3. Question 3 is, what did the friend do when the crayon broke? Read question properly. Okay, understand it well. Question 3. What did the friend do when the crayon broke? Then question mark. See, can you see? If it is a question, so question mark. Question 3 is, what did the friend do when the crayon broke? B-R-O-K-E, broke. Okay. What she did when crayon broke? That answer you have to write. What did the friend do when the crayon broke? So answer 3 is, she said. See what is the answer? She said she was sorry. She said she was sorry. She said she was sorry. Okay, children? So you all have done this. So we will read once again. Okay? Question 1. Describe the crayons. Describe the crayons. Answer 1. The crayons were shiny, straight, and new. The crayons were shiny, straight, and new. Question 2. Was the poet sad when the crayon broke? Was the poet sad when the crayon broke? Answer 2. No, the poet was not sad. No, the poet was not sad. Question number 3. What did the friend do when the crayon broke? What did the friend do when the crayon broke? Answer 3 is, she said she was sorry. She said she was sorry. Okay, children, so you write down these question answers if you have not written in your fair book. Okay, children, so complete your fair book. Poem 11, I had a box of crayon, all which I have given in PDF with good handwriting. Okay, children, and take care of yourself. And at the last, thank you all.